Hi, this is Adrienne and welcome to another video about painting. It's about 9 months I started to work with an art coach and I would like to share my experience with you guys today. My painting before coaching is very short story. I was painting with acrylics and basically I could not paint alone. I was usually following some online classes for painting and I was trying to get the same color as the teacher, trying to mimic the brush strokes and trying to have the same painting in the end. I had a finished piece, it looked nice, but I never really felt that this painting is mine. It felt like copying someone. After some time I understood that creating something should feel good. This should be the time when I switch off my thinking mind and I get to the flow. I so badly wanted to do my own painting finally. I managed to do some small still lifes, but I could never get to the next level. And you know what else I also realized? That developing and keeping wrong techniques and wrong muscle memory could be one of the worst things that can happen to me as an artist. Later on, it will be very difficult to change. So I needed help. I decided to finally give a call to Stefan Baumann. I saw his videos on YouTube and I thought that this is what I need. He is offering coaching, he has a good technique, very open person, very honest person. He has a good energy, a good vibe and extremely nice paintings. I also saw the website of other students and their paintings and I was like, wow, I want to do this. So my favorite thing about coaching is that it's a one-to-one discussion. It's fully personal. I can ask whatever I want. Whatever is my issue with painting, I can share. And it's always for my level. So the coaching pushed me to the other level that I could not reach alone. So after a few sessions, my painting improved enormously. Just in a few months' time, I went from not being able to put a mark on my canvas to selling my first piece. Because also it's not only about the painting and not only about the painting process and technique, but you can discuss anything. If you are interested in making a living out of your painting, you can also talk about how to sell a painting, how to price a painting, how to advertise better. Like in general, how to put yourself out there a little bit more. You can also ask for help to manage your time and balance better your personal life with your painting time. So I am still learning a lot, but finally I am feeling that I develop my own style. I am able to transfer my thoughts and ideas to the canvas, which is like a huge dream come true for me. Also, I am pushing the canvas size up and up with each piece because I always wanted to paint on big canvas, but I was just extremely afraid of it. Like painting on a canvas that is almost the same height as I am, I could not imagine this. This was impossible for me before. And today I just started such painting like that and I am really excited about it. I will also make a time-lapse out of it. So cross fingers that it will come out nice. Honestly, I feel that I should have done the coaching a little bit earlier because I lost all those months with painting not on the style I want or copying basically someone else. But in the end, it doesn't matter. It finally gave me the motivation and the confidence to paint how I want. I have professional and objective opinion on my work. Finally, I can improve. So if you are also a beginner and you are thinking or you are playing with the idea whether you should get coaching or not, I would fully recommend it for you. There are so many good artists out there who are offering coaching. I'm sure you can find someone you like. You can also check out my coach, Stefan Baumann. I also think that some of the artists offer like packages, like just a limited period of time when you can work with them, or just for a selected piece they will help you out. But depending on your level or your seriousness about painting, you can always go for a long-term coaching so that you can fully develop your style. So this was it for today's video and I am happy that you joined and I really hope that this video was helpful. See you in the next one. Bye!